guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is good. You know what, I don't even have enough time, but I hope all is well. In this video I'm just really going to take you through a day in the life with me while I go to work as an ALT, and it's about 7:40 in the morning and I have to catch the bus at 7:47, and it's snowing today. It's lightly snowing. So yeah, normally I catch the bus at 7:47 and it takes 20 minutes for me to get to the nearest point to school. So I'll take you along, but snow. It's snowing. All winter, I think this is the second time that it has snowed since winter. And I'm clearly out of breath because I'm walking so very fast. My hair is crazy. Yeah, that's a vending machine. See, my apartment is that way. Vending machines right there. Yeah, so I'll just flip the camera around so you can have a view of the place. Snowy, snowy, snow. Guys, it is not sunny today or anything because, as I said, it's snowing. So I don't even know how the footage will turn out, but that is the Watari station. That's some kids right there. I don't know what they're doing and not going to school. Sometimes they line up out here and greet customers. Well, not customers, people, while they pass the station and so on. I don't know why, but I've seen them do it pretty often. Those are taxis lining up. Taxis are very expensive in Japan. If you do not have to take a taxi, don't do it. And yeah, so that's the station. And again, this is 5 minutes walk from my apartment. Right next to the station you have a gym. Now, I've been saying for many months that I need to join this gym. I haven't. It's 5,000 yen a month. That's 5,000 Jamaican dollars a month, and I just haven't gotten around to joining that. And this is some flower shop and a little factory over there. People's license plate, I can't be showing that. So yeah, that building is a part of the Watari Castle, and it leads you to the other side of the station. I am still waiting on the bus, which seems to be a little late, but this is the bus stop right there, and I'm just standing waiting, and I think I hear it coming. But yeah, this is a nice little view of the central point. That's the bus coming, guys. Alright, I'm just going to take you inside, show you what I do. And I have a whole lot of stuff. Look at that. Umbrella, handbag, lunch bag. So yeah, I'm just going to voice over the rest. So people are coming out of the bus, and I have my fare in this bag. Alright. I said change onegaishimasu, and that is definitely not the right term to ask for change in Japan. And I really have not taken the time to study, but in Japan they do pronounce, or they do know some English words, and change is one of them. They just added change at the end, and then onegaishimasu is please. So I just put them together and I get something, and guess what, he understood and it works for me, and that's what I do. Okay. And that is the bus stop itinerary for my area. So if you know Japanese, of course, you can look at that and view the bus times. And so I have to study it to know my stops, guys. And this is my view. So I'm in the bus and I'm on my way to work. And usually the bus ride is about 20 minutes long, and the bus does not actually drive straight from point A to point B. It stops at all the bus stops within my area, or that particular route before it gets to school. So there's a lot of turn off and a lot of stopping and waiting. And the bus guys, they normally just stop for like 30 seconds and then they're on their way to the next bus stop. So you definitely want to be on time when you're trying to catch the bus or the trains in Japan. Okay guys, I've gotten off the bus and I'm now from the bus stop to my school. It's about 8 minutes walk, and that's an elementary school right here, and my junior high school is right beside it but a little further, you know, walking distance. So I am at Okuma right now. This is Okuma Elementary School. And then I don't know if you can see a little white building. That one there. That's actually where I am heading. So I work at 3 schools and I go to this school in Okuma, this junior high school, for 3 days of the week. So on Mondays I go to a different school, on Tuesdays I go to a different school, and then Wednesday, Thursdays and Fridays I go to this school. So this is the biggest school that I work at. I'm a little closer now, so this is what my junior high school looks like. This is Okuma Junior High School. The sun is now out, so my glasses have gotten dark because of the tint, you know that. So yeah, as I was saying, I work at 3 schools, and I mean, it sounds a lot, but I've really gotten used to it. It's been what, 2 years since I've been working in this town, so I have gotten used to it. I mean, the school that I go to on a Monday is the most stressful for me because unfortunately a bus does not run there early in the morning. I mean, it runs early in the morning, but at the time that it leaves my station and get to that school, it would be too late and I would be reaching work very late. So because I should be at work by 8:10, because school starts at 8:20 and I should be there 10 minutes before time, and that bus gets to that school at maybe 9 o'clock, so I can't take that bus. And guys, see, I told you a vending machine is everywhere. Look at that, right next to the school, but the students are not allowed to use the vending machines while in their school uniforms. Apparently they shouldn't even see me using the vending machine, but there are mornings when I don't have drinks and I'm not going to die for thirst. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. So yeah, and Daijoubu. Yeah, so as I said, it's snowing and a student just fell right off his bicycle while riding. So I said, Daijoubu, that means are you okay? Yeah. Anyway, I'm almost there at the gate. Students are there waiting. They greet their fellow students every morning. As I'm it's so cold. So guys, that's students going into school. Parking lot, bicycle parking. The vice principal is approaching me. Look at my shadow. Oh. Good morning. Samui desu. Alright, so that was the vice principal telling me that it's very cold. And I said samui desu, that means yes, it's very cold. So now I'm inside the Genkan. Remember my apartment door? Right, it's empty. Hi gozaimasu. Hi gozaimasu. Hi gozaimasu. Guys, this is what my typical days or 3 days schedule normally looks like. On one day I may have 2 classes, on the next I may have 3, and on the other, usually on Fridays, I have 2 classes. Sometimes I only have 1 classes, sometimes I have 4 classes. The schedule really changes based on when the teachers actually need my service, and these are the textbooks that the students use. And yeah, the schedule is very different each week. So I have a lot of free time basically. And here I'm just trying to show you very quickly inside the printing room. So they have a lot of printers and photocopying machines and all of that stuff. And this is really the hallway of the school. And as I said before, everything is really inside, from the nurse's office to the gym, the classrooms. The only thing they go outside for is like to play PE or to swim. And those are the students' shoe cabinets, because as you know, Japanese people don't be wearing their outside shoes inside. All right, and that's really the view from the window out there. So yeah, very nice compact school environment. I love the idea of having everything inside, so that once you're in, you're in, and when you're out, you are out. Okay, many people lost their lives and many others were injured.
Many people lost their lives and many others were injured.
たくさんの人々が lost their lives。lives は何の複数形？命、life。life の複数形ですよ。ライフって言うよね、ゲームとかでもライフって言いますよね。たくさんの人々が Okay, next please.
They had burns all over their bodies.
They had burns all over their bodies.
Students normally eat together at lunchtime within groups, and this is what their lunch typically looks like. It's normally soup, rice, and some form of meat. I don't eat the school lunch, so I carried my own lunch, and this day I was having corned beef and cabbage and dumpling, Jamaican style. Okay guys, this was the end of the school day, and this was around 5:10 p.m. The place is bright, and it is finally showing that it is springtime, because just a few weeks ago this hour of the day was very, very dark. It was as if it was 9 p.m. in the night. So yeah, basically students are going home. I am heading to the bus stop, which is 8 minutes walk from my school to the bus stop, to catch the bus to go home and cook dinner and actually start my night, because I have to edit my videos and so on when I get in from work. There's no other time, sis. I be grinding. Alright guys, I just got to the bus stop. Back from work, so now that's the bus. Alright guys, I'm almost home. This is my door. So tired. Remember Genkan? Come in. I have a bunch of stuff today. Put my lunch bag and the umbrella. So yeah. Alright guys, so that is basically what a day in my life at work is like. I know it was pretty boring, but that's my job, that's my life, and I am comfortable. Because guess what, I get to do a lot of things during the days when I have schedules like that, where I don't have many classes and so on. So I hope you enjoyed what I had to show you, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.